zonke izizojikelele yonke indawo umhlaba zithi. Yeah, now we are going to do what? Question number 4 now. 4.1. So 4.1, it says complete tan squared beta minus sec squared beta is equals to how much now? So just going, this question needs you to complete now. I'll just show you how to get to the final answer there. We are given what? Tan squared b minus how much? Sec squared b. But remember that now sec squared b, let me just write it here. Remember that sec squared b is equals to how much? 1 plus tan squared b. You still remember that now? Still remember that? It's a square identity. It's a square identity. So we are going to solve this now, which is, we are given what? Tan squared b minus into how much? 1 plus tan squared what? Tan squared b there, which is it's a square identity, which is going to how much? Tan squared b minus 1 minus tan squared b there, which is this one and this one will cancel each other, will be left with how much now? We'll be left with -1. That will be our final answer there. Yes. So what is the meaning of that? So the final conclusion, it will be what? Therefore, what? Tan squared b minus sec squared b is equals to how much? -1. Nice. Nice. Now we go to 4.2 now. 4.2, we're given one now. Cos of how much? 360 degrees plus x multiplied by tan squared what? Tan squared of 180 degrees plus x. Nice. So we go into that side now, plus how much? Cos of how much? 180 degrees minus x multiplied by sec squared of 360 degrees minus x. Nice. So here we are just required to simplify now. Cos of 360 plus, it's in the first quadrant, we're going to have cos of x. Tan squared 180 multiplied by how much? Tan of what? Of x all squared plus how much now? We're done with the tan. Now we come to the cos. Cos of 180 minus x, it will be how much? Minus cos of what? Of x now. Now sec, which is you're going to 1 divided by how much? We're not in a hurry. Letter number 3 is for cos now. Cos of how much? Cos squared. Cos squared of 360 minus x now. Nice. Let's start to simplify this side. So we are going to have how much? Cos of x multiplied by how much? By tan squared x minus cos of x multiplied by how much? By 1 divided by how much? Cos squared x there. Nice. So this side, what is going to happen now? We are going to have what? we're going to have cos of x multiplied by sine squared of x divided by cos squared of x there, minus how much? Minus cos of x divided by cos squared x. So this side now, this one, take 1, which is will be left with how much now? Sine of x divided by cos divided by cos of x multiplied by how much now? By sine, yes. Minus how much? This one will take 1 this side. Nice. Which is will be left with 1 divided by cos of x. So I'm just going to take this to this point now. Nice. Nice. Which is we had what now? We take it from here now, which is sine divided by cos. It will be how much? It will be tan of x multiplied by sine of x minus how much? Sec x. Nice. So that will be our solution. The question was to what now? It was to simplify. So we simplified it from here to this point now. That is our final answer. So Ingezo Kingdom. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.